Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Offences can also be classified as bailable offence and non-bailable offence. In bailable offence are those offences in which bail is granted by the investigating officer. Example, in case of rash and negligent act under 304A IPC, bail can be granted by the investigating officer. Second, non-bailable offences are those wherein police cannot grant the bail and the bail has to be given by the judicial magistrate. For example, non-bailable offences are in murder, rape, dowry death. The bail should be given by a judicial magistrate.
Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about